going on, everybody? Today we are headed out to Peoria. Gotta say goodbye to my family first. Bye, baby, I love you.
I do too.
Bye, Joe.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Diego boy. Love you.
Love you too.
We're going to another detail shop. A guy named Nick contacted me a few weeks ago. He's got 2 cars that he wants wrapped. So we're going out there. We're doing a 2018 BMW 640 GT, and then we're wrapping a NSX. We're doing a full front clip on the BMW, and then we're wrapping the entire NSX. Now, normally we don't go out to other detail shops. We like our clean room. We're going out there for a couple reasons. One, Nick has a really clean detail area, so it's a clean spot, and he has a couple customers that has already asked to do a couple jobs. And 2, I talked on the phone with Nick a couple times. He seems like a really cool guy, and any opportunity that we have to go out and see other people in the industry, I'm super excited about it. So I want to get to know him. We got a little bit of a ride, about 2 hours and 10 minutes away, so strap on in. So we made it to Detail Peoria. It was a long, boring drive. I don't know if you're from the Midwest or not, but Midwest, it's long, flat fields, nothing much to look at. So we're here. Nick just let us in. He has a full-time job that he went back to. So we're gonna meet him later. He's gonna be here this afternoon to do some stuff with us, so I'll introduce Nick. But we're here. Here are the 2 cars. So we got a BMW 640 GT. I'm gonna start the window tinting on. Rich and E are a couple hours behind me, so gives me a chance to start my thing. And then we got the NSX over there. Beautiful. Chicago Auto Pros takes over Detail Peoria. Rich and E-Man got here. We just went out and got some lunch because I was really hungry. I got all the windows cut out. I just need to shape everything and put them in and install it. Rich and E are setting up right now, and they're gonna start with the BMW. Everybody, meet Nick.
How's it going?
He is part owner of Detail Peoria. Matt, the other half of Detail Peoria. So these guys, we're hungry. It's late. I went and got some beer. So we're waiting for Rich and E to finish this hood so we can go eat. And you actually have to, you guys have to ceramic coat this, right?
Yeah, we'll get this coated as soon as these guys wrap up, and then it's on to the NSX.
Cool. We're gonna start doing the NSX in the morning. So we're gonna get this BMW done, and then let's go eat.
Sounds great.
All right, the BMW is done. I'll get some after shots for you guys on that. Looks really good. Onto the NSX. Before we get started on the NSX, we're gonna kind of wash it first. There's a lot of dust buildup on it, and we wanna make sure the surface is perfectly clean before we put any XPEL film over it. So Rich and E-Man are gonna blow out all the cracks and the crevices and make sure there's not any dust or particles or anything that gets in between the film, because if you do get any dust or any sand particles or anything between the film and the paint, you're gonna see it and it's gonna look bad. It actually enhances it. You'll feel the bump on it and it looks horrible. So we want it perfectly clean before we get started. So first step is to clean all the cracks and the crevices. Here we go. Rich and E-Man are making good progress on the NSX. I'm actually gonna dip out of here because I have a flight to catch early in the morning and I have a couple-hour drive home. So they're gonna finish doing the rest of the film tonight. They'll probably get most of it on the vehicle, and then they're gonna come back tomorrow morning and do a bunch of edge work, make sure everything's laying down correctly, and just go over their work. So I wanna say thank you to Nick and Matt. Really appreciate the hospitality that you've shown us in your shop. Thanks for inviting us in here to do these two jobs with you. Detail Peoria, look them up. I'm gonna put all their contact information in the description below, all their Facebook and Instagram, follow them, go see them. Thanks for watching this episode of Chicago Auto Pros Detailing Vlog. Make sure you subscribe below. I'm out of here, peace.